Akua.
How did you just call me?
I said Akua.
Are you serious? You just addressed me by my name? You have no respect, huh? See, if you try this again, you will lose your job.
Why do you treat your prince this way?
What did you just say?
I said nothing. I was just thinking out loud.
Oh, babe, he's a common houseboy.
That doesn't make me less of a human.
Oh, did you hear him? So he's your new date.
Heart in tears, crying in the night. Love was there, but you lost the light. Heart in tears, now you realize true love lives beyond disguise. Heart in tears, calling out your name, but nothing ever stays the same. Heart in tears, oh, you let it go. Now the pain is all you know. Another soul with a gentle flame saw his heart, another name.
Hey! 2 days in this house, and you have started breaking things.
Sorry, Mom.
I'm going to deduct it from your salary.
It was an accident.
I hope you read the terms and conditions of the contract you signed. That if you break anything, it's going to be deducted from your salary.
But Mom...
End of discussion. I didn't send phone. Why? What is it? Can you imagine that useless guy has started breaking things at the kitchen?
Are you sure this boy can do this work?
But sisters, it's just a domestic accident. We should be thankful he didn't get hit.
Hey! Whoop boy no. Whoop boy no. If you try anything silly, I will report you to your boyfriend Mike.
Oh, please, stay here. The fact that I'm defending him doesn't mean I feel or have anything for him.
Oh, keep quiet over there. Who knows you didn't plan on bringing him to the house?
Me? I don't know him from anywhere now. We all just meeting here. Me, I'm only stating facts. People are always insulting him, sending him up and down as if he's not a human being like us.
Are you for real?
I'll pay for
Hey! Bokode, I'm not for the person. Hey! Hey!
So, are you using energy?
Oh, okay. Well, I called you here to watch TV with me.
Are you sure? You know your sisters. If they come and meet me here, fire. I don't want any trouble.
Come on, they've gone out, and besides, I'm not sure they'll come back anytime soon.
If you say so.
Yes, so I'm actually watching. Let me ask you, what's your education background?
Okay. I went to normal basic school, and then after I went to secondary school. After secondary school, I wanted to further my education to the tertiary level, but due to financial problems, I wasn't able to go to school.
I see. So I'm guessing that's why you're here to work, right?
Sure. Exactly. To survive and also save some money for school.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Anyway, so with the movie I'm watching, it's really nice. Like,
I can tell.
the main character.
I have a call. I need to pick it.
Okay, but why can't you answer it here?
Sorry. It's very confidential.
Nice.
I'll be back.
Confidential.
Mensah,
Sis.
Jankoma. Bibi kosu ofia bro hadwe so kakra. Na me mu mienu so na ofia. Mentumi endwen anase ensi gina ye prekope. Could you believe say guy no as a houseboy last me kokro ana me ka chere say onye aduane na me kwaba umbeje di say onu nya tumi ebisa me say da ben ena me maye aduane na ono no etesi ahwe
Eye ono ne bisa awsasem.
ono houseboy no me ma be fa o say be houseboy no o say bisa me say da ben ena me aduane na we taste ahwe. I mean a whole me kwa kitchen akwa aduane ma ne ndi. So let me person be say like, oh you okay now? You know mo nya sure say or mental problem.
Sis, sa guy na nkasa fiti day 1. Otu ni na si fia na me so onye papa. Boy no onye papa.
What can say more?
Onye papa.
Because me who ni yen no man say so like
No, sisters. I think he's very okay. Just that I believe he's not portraying to be who he is to us. The last time, for instance, I bumped into him in the kitchen making a phone call.
Of course, I received $50,000. So what about the balance? I'm expecting the balance by tomorrow. Of course, we send the oil. The oil has been distributed, so why the delay? You know I don't do business like that. Just tell the boys to send me my money, that's all. Sure, latest by tomorrow. I don't want any, excuses and all those petty issues. Just send me the balance, that's all. Yeah, I'll get back to you. Yeah, just send me an email too. I want to confirm something.
And from the things he was saying, I think there is more to him than we know.
oh, that means the car saw your confirm. It is true. Because share their way Jankoma kana. That means your confirm. Hey, it's all this why any confirm it fear.
That is not what I mean exactly. But I won't say the way he talks, walks, I won't say the face in Poba has say, won't say ne enjoy your AFA. He doesn't behave or look like somebody who should be a house help. Like I said earlier, I think there is more to him than we know.
Then he's a spy.
Of course.
Me sure so be na suma ni so mbehye ma me business nim.
Hey,
Cause you there.
Well, maybe they work on and say me fe into from ni enhwe ni yi. Cause me ne ye bi we are kan you know and should am faster ma me.
Enye one oba you see engine.
It's near your house boy.
But it's too late. Heart in tears, crying in the night. Love was there, but you lost the light. Heart in tears. Now you realize true love lives beyond disguise. Heart in tears, calling out your name, but nothing ever stays the same. Heart in tears. Oh, you let it go. Now the pain is all you know.
You are hungry. But I just finished cooking.
I want a woman's food to eat.
You want a woman's food to taste.
Yes.
So is that why you asked the Efya to cook for you the last time? You, Kra, who are you? No, tell me, because I feel like there is something we don't know about you.
What do you want to know?
I want to know who you are. Tell me, who exactly are you?
I'll tell you everything later.
Later.
Yeah, later.
Okay. Well, since you said you're hungry, I have some small money inside. Let me go and get it and buy you some stuff and prepare something for you to eat.
Really?
Love can hide in simple things,
Wow. I really appreciate it.
but pride can make us blind. He came with nothing, no gold, no name, just a humble smile, no pride, no fame. Sleeping on the floor, working through the pain.
Richard!
Still he loved in silence.
Richard!
through the shame. She looked away, never saw his heart. Judged his worth from the very start. Cold words falling like the rain. Never knew she caused him pain. Oh, love was standing at your door.
What did you just call me?
You couldn't see
I said it, Pia.
what you lost, you can't.
Are you serious? You just addressed me by my name? You have no respect, huh? See, if you try this again, you will lose your job.
Why do you treat your prince this way?
What did you just say?
I said nothing. I was just thinking out loud.
Lucky you.
At your door, but you couldn't see anymore. What you lost, you can't replace. Now you see, but it's too late. Heart in tears, crying in the night. Love was there, but you lost the light. Heart in tears, now you realize true.
What's this water? Take it back and serve me with bottled water.
No, Mike. Don't talk to him like that. Besides, I'm the one supposed to serve you, not him.
Oh, babe. He's a common houseboy.
That doesn't make me less of a human.
Oh, did you hear him? So he's your new date.
Oh, how?
A houseboy. And you allowed him to talk to me anyhow. You gave him that power. I see, I'm gone.
Oh, babe. Babe.
Don't you dare touch me again.
Mike.
You see what it was? You are always defending this useless boy. Today your boyfriend has caught you.
Mr. Mensah, please help me talk to him. I only told him not to talk to Richard harshly, but he took it the wrong way and just left.
Who should help you talk to him? Me. You are not serious. Clean your mess.
He came with nothing, no gold, no name, just a humble smile, no pride, no fame. Sleeping on the floor, working through the pain. Still he loved in silence through the shame. She looked away, never saw his heart. Judged his worth from the very start. Cold words falling like the rain. Never knew she caused him pain. Oh, love was standing at your door, but you couldn't see anymore. What you lost, you can't replace. Now you see, but